pink on it.
Don't take a pink off our knife now. What's that full of?
Lemon orange.
Captain Ultralight up here.
Cheese.
Alright, like, heading up to a farm tonight, old abandoned farm, and we got all the lads with us. We'll have a little reeve up. Might jump in the river. What do you think? I have got a little towel. You see the t-shirt is out. Spring is coming. Here's the first farm. I'm not staying here tonight though. Heading for the next one. We've got the rain coming in now.
I saw you was looking out the garage.
I don't think it's too far to go though. Try to race the boys there because I know of a good spot. I'm hoping they don't know the same spot. Like, what's this for, do you think, Ann? Tell you what, it's lashing down now. Rain's properly in now, look. I've taken the shortcut track. The boys up there. Seems a bit muddier. Here we are. A farm for the night. This is called Dowen. It says plastic bags been in the cupboard since last year.
Yeah, put them out then, aren't
I think you can only see through it if the sun hits it. Then you can see through it, but otherwise you can't.
Huh?
Two first and his bon fous.
One bush. He's got a Tarptent notch, right? How much you get for it?
$4.50.
$4.50. He's got a zip, he wants 470.
I was asking $2.50, you can sell it.
No.
I'll keep that now anyway. So there's my setup, look. Next to the old building. Surprised nobody's gone in there. Mine's a cracking spot in there. The Hilleberg back out, is there?
Yeah, baby. I reckon my super duper pegs reckon I hold.
They're not going to hold much, eh? This is for the ground sheet, eh?
I bought them when I was on my ultralight trip.
Right, yeah. The old Terra Nova back out. Not the flattest pitch, mine, I don't know.
I did not say, but
Yeah, that was going to be my secondary spot. I didn't get the first one. I've seen Drew put his hell spot there, looked pucker. So right in the beacons now. Let's have a look in this building then. So metalworks. What's this? Ancient fridge freezer. I have actually pitched in here before. I'm looking at it. That was up there. Yeah, I had the massive one Tigris Tegerman just hanging out in between these two trees. I was sleeping like close to this side in case, because I could see it was a bit dodgy. I don't know when that's come down. Cool little spot. Could set a fire up in here actually if it's windy. So it's a fire pit set up here. Don't know how long it's been here. I remember I was sat there last time. Yeah, it's quite out of the wind actually. How long is that going to stay up? Set up for the night. There's the pillow. The old ballerina. So I got Philly cheesesteaks to do tonight. Spicy. Some onions to go in there as well. 4 shipyards, 4 proper jobs. And I'm on the old meths burner, the Alox. Got a chair as well. take a little walk to the river now. Fill that up.
There's all the tents. I think Mike's is down there. You can just about see it. Lee's is just behind the tree down there. Aye, aye.
Starting on the coffee. Starting in strong. That's because he's got all these for later. Like.
That's my flask.
What's that full of?
Red Morangi.
Just 8 cans I got. We got Lee, Captain Ultralight up here. There's DCF gear, look. I think I'm going to have a hot chocolate, I think, first. So I think we're going to stick with this fire pit, yeah.
I'll go grab some wood now, yeah?
A little search.
You just wanted to protect the sleeping bag.
Yeah.
I'll give us a go next, look.
And it's a short wheel.
Maybe something from Mike.
Yeah.
Making another
That's
bad
right,
boy
isn't it?
for him, innit?
Got a Barbie knife as well, look.
Oh, you can sharpen that if you want hard bit.
Yeah, that'd be good, yeah.
Yeah.
Machine.
Boom.
Barbie be cutting you up now.
Oh, we will.
You know, when you join in with the wood collection, isn't it?
Somebody's fighting on there.
What date is it, huh?
30th.
30th of March.
Yeah.
29th of Jan.
Been in freezer, but he's
It's been in the
All right. He's telling you, you bought that from the reduced section in Tesco that day, didn't really take it back.
From £4.19 to £1.47. Went straight in the freezer and I forgot about it, huh? It's like Fantasia. I told the people to get some wood. They just keep coming, no?
I love that, man.
Yeah.
This massive log. Someone's chopped off with an axe. Bloody hell. What was it taking some doing? And what was the need? I don't know.
Jeez.
Kitchen knife special.
Barbie power.
Oh, pink on it.
Don't take a pink off our knife now. Nathan's pulling something out of the bag yet. What's his plan? Proper bushcrafting skills, yeah, rubbish.
Yeah.
And wood pellets are in it. Nathan's worried about the wind tonight, so he's put this big rock on his tent, like. You gotta ruin it now.
Flapping like. Oh no. So I should just keep that weird on till it.
I want it to.
Oh, it is warm beer, mind.
Boiling that. Absolutely cooking.
What's Nathan up to?
Mushrooms in here, it is.
Oh, you got stuffed mushrooms as well, have you?
Yeah, I got stuffed mushrooms there.
What you got to go, Mike?
Just a ration pack, buddy, chicken curry.
Oh, that's the way, man.
Yeah, chicken curry all the way, brother.
I know that.
Afters, sausage and wedges. Butter's hot dogs, huh?
Oh yeah. Got the old butter going.
We've got to be banging out, oh, camel toe.
Show us tomato sauce. What's on your gammon? Tomato sauce! Hey! Show us what you give in.
Spicy, innit? Salty. Salt and pepper chili stuff it is.
Show the packet to the camera.
Yeah,
This is called the broil.
cod liver oil.
Cod liver oil. That's what he's done. He's dehydrated the cod liver oil. It's become super spicy.
Oh, I had to crack it in there. Spicy.
Oh.
Nathan's still knackered on.
Fire.
He loves you, you see.
She's awesome. So, morning coffee. Rufus is awake. Haven't seen the other boys yet. Oh, feeling rough this morning. What a party that was. I don't think live streams are the way to go. I keep losing subs. Seeing the full unedited stuff that's going down. It's a laugh though, isn't it? It's a laugh.
A bit heavy, but not as heavy as it was yesterday.
It won't be without drank all you drink and all that, all right?
Main tip for you while camping, don't go digging through any rock piles. Check about for stuff. Boys are packed down. Let's get out of this dump. Thanks for watching. Catch you again. Briggity briggo.